Remove the non-productive things. I know that many of us have procrastinated things on 1st January also, and this is where we should understand that we are not here to wait for the perfect time, because perfect time is something which never comes. Perfect time is something that we are going to make, create, and we are going to live in the moment to make that moment a very perfect time. This is not the January 1st, so who cares about how you are living? You do, and you have to do it anyways, because it's your life and you are the one responsible for it. We will be talking about the top 5 things you should do to live the life you deserve in 2026. Also, with the help of this video, you will be knowing that how to deal with the biggest problem we are facing in our lives, that is procrastinations. As we all know that procrastination is the only biggest enemy we are facing in living the life we all deserve. Starting with the very first thing, take out a diary. I will suggest to buy a diary like this one I have got. It's 2026. So on the pages we will be writing all the works we have plannings and all the things we will do on a specific date. Or you can use an app in your phone, you can use Google Calendar. What will happen by doing that is you are yourself controlling your actions. You are yourself the one who will be identifying the things which are like a waste of time. You don't need to do that, but you keep on doing those things, forcing you to procrastinate the most important work you have to do. By prioritizing top 3 works of your day, your mind is going to get a clear direction that where do it have to work. Okay, so the second tip is do it. Just do that thing. I know many of us have not done our resolution work on the very 1st of January, very first day of starting of the year, but you just keep on doing that thing. Keep on doing that thing means I know no one can be perfect in something in just 5 minutes. So do it daily. Do it daily for 5 minutes and see the results.
So whatever you are planning push-ups, you are planning anything, you are planning exercise, you are planning cooking, you are planning studying, you are planning reading books, you are planning meditation.
Do it for 5 minutes. Writing down the things specifically will help you to identify all the things that are non-productive in your day. So the very third thing which you have to do is remove the non-productive things. Remove the non-productive things. Remove the non-productive things. Remove the non-productive things. Well, this is well said that non-productive things are the only things that are forcing you to procrastinate the things you have to do in real life. Set deadline. As we all know, we are too lazy to procrastinate the things to the deadline. So why don't we ourselves start making the deadlines? So start creating your own deadlines. Do not wait for the deadline of the assignment. Do not wait for the teacher to give you deadline. Do not wait for someone to tell you that this is your deadline to do that work. The fifth thing is stop complaining. Stop complaining, because negative affirmations are not something we have to do to make our lives better. So to live the life you deserve, you have to be very positive and to make the positive affirmations. And for that, the first thing you have to do is stop complaining. Comment down if you will be doing these 5 things and you are ready to improve your life. Comment down for the positive affirmations.